Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be doing a Sofia Carson makeup look because my Oxford year premiere is on Thursday and I'm super excited to be attending with Netflix. So let's get started on the skincare part. Starting with the Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Hydrating Lotion. Next, I'm going in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. And this is just to lock in the moisture before I do what? Before I do the rest of my makeup. Thought you were gonna answer that for me. Ow. Now it's time for the eye makeup. So I'm going in with my Dior Forever Skin Corrector Concealer. Just gonna put this all over my eyes to prime. And blending it out, and then I'm going to start on the eyeshadow. This just helps the eye makeup stay all day. Why can't I open this? Jeez. Oh, it's because of serum. Great. Got it. My hands are just slippery. So we're going in with this palette now. And I'm going to take just like a dark, smoky shadow, sophisticated, and I'm going to put it in my crease, just the outer portion of the crease, because I want a little bit of dimension in there to start the somewhat, I mean, it's not that smoky, it's more subtle. Okay, that should be good, I think. I look like I have raccoon eyes. Okay. So now let me go in with a silver, and I'm going to go on to the lower lash line after I do my face. But I want a silver. Let me see if I can open this. Oh, yay. So I want to go in with this silver shade from the Charlotte Tilbury palette. I'm gonna put this all over my lids. And this is the look I'm going to do for the premiere on Thursday. So basically just practicing for that, like a little trial. And I'm super excited to be having my fitting tonight. I totally forgot that glitter just like goes everywhere, so let me fix the crease now, since I'm done with this palette. Oh, that's so gross. Those are the sound effects for the wonderful Airbrush Flawless Foundation by what?
Charlotte Tilbury?
Yes.
Actually?
Yeah, that's right.
Dang.
And why do we blend with the Beauty Blender? It just blends into the skin more nicely. You could also use a brush.
I said that second time.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I was like, what?
Because with the brush, it's more streaky. I mean, you could use a brush, but then after you should go in and press it into the skin. Okay, and now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just put it on my T-zone. And the bridge of my nose, forehead and chin. And I might have to go in with this again if I do a winged liner. I've been having the worst under the skin breakouts because I am about to get my period, but I didn't get it yet, so maybe that's why I overslept this morning. No, I overslept because I forgot to set my alarm. Oopsie. Now I'm going to set that with my Prada translucent powder, but only on my T-zone because I don't want to get any friction when I do the contouring. So if you put powder in those areas before you do the cream contour and bronzing, then it's a lot of friction and it's harder to blend. So keep that in mind. Oh, my ankle cracked. God, I'm really 90 years old. I'm 90 in a 25-year-old Wait, oh my god, I'm 26. People are gonna think I'm crazy. I forgot how old I was for a second. Just gonna continue with my eye makeup. My wrinkly eyes. Going back in with this palette, and I am going to do the same shadow I did for my crease. Okay, good. That's done. And now for a little bit of a wing, just a teeny tiny bit. She doesn't have like a massive wing, just a little bit with the black shadow. I think that's about it for the wing, yeah. I know she also focuses it on the outer portion of the eye. Kind of lifted also a little bit, like it's not quite connected to the lash line, so it's a little messy at the same time, which I like. And I also like that she has thick brows, because I do too, and I don't have to block out my brows for this. Now I think I'm gonna go in with my lashes before I do my face. Time to open the glue and put the glue on the lash. Oh my god, why is this so hard to... Yay, now I have lashes. Totally forgot to actually put lower liner on, so let me do that quickly. Oh, geez, I poked my eye. Ow. Oh, God, that hurt. Okay. It's gonna water now. Now, time for the lashes on the other eye. Okay, good. I think I do want to touch on my brows a little bit more, make it a little bit more fluffy. Actually, no, I have to put my mascara on first by Essence. This is actually only $5. See, like, you don't need a expensive mascara. This is literally just from Ulta, and it's $5. So I think I'm done with the eyes, and now I'm going on to my face with this contour, and just gonna do a little bit of contour to my forehead too, just wherever she has those natural shadows. To my nose also. With my excess powder that I still have on this brush from before, and I want to do a slight nose contour. I'm going to set that on my nose too. And now for a little bit of blush, my liquid Armani blush. I'm just putting a tiny bit on, not a lot, because she doesn't have a lot on. And setting that quickly with my beauty blender, because liquid dries really fast. I think that was a little bit too much, so I'm happy I only used that. And I do want to set that with my by Mario powder. Now for a little bit of a highlight, going in with my Charlotte Tilbury. As you could see, that's a brand I really like. The Hollywood Flawless Filter Highlighter. I'm just putting a little bit on my cheeks. I'm not gonna really put any highlighter in my inner corner or under my brow, but second to last, I'm going in with my two lip products. This is the Artist Color Pencil, if I could open it, by Makeup Forever in Rubber Walnut. And now I am taking my Prada lipstick. And last, I'm gonna set my face with my One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. And that is it for the Sofia Carson makeup look. This is kind of the type of makeup that she wears in the movie. As I saw photos, I didn't see the movie yet because it's obviously not out, but I will be seeing it on Thursday, so I'm very excited. And I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.